Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure to add transitions in Capcut. So what you want to do is to add transitions in Capcut, you just want to open the Capcut app onto your device. Here it is. You could either go with the existing project or you could create new as well. So here it is. After which, what you need is you just want to open the project and ensure that you have at least 2 clips on your timeline. That means you just want to make sure to add another one as well. So I've actually split it in 2 halves. Now all you need to do is find the small white icon with a vertical line between your clips. Here it is. You just want to do that. And once you do this, you will open up open the menu. Just want to tap the square icon and launch a transition menu. This is how it's going to look. You just want to make sure to go and select it just like this, and you could just go and adjust it according to your preferences, and that is how you're supposed to add transitions. Now if you're sure about this particular transition, you want to tap the tick icon. Next, if you want to do this for the other timeline as well, you just have to look for these white square icon with the vertical dot. And this is how you're supposed to add in a transitions. So if you go ahead and play it from the very first, you will be able to see the transitions. So that's how you're supposed to add transitions in Capcut. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.